Hello brothers and sisters of Unifor 2169. So we decided to make you guys a little tutorial video on how to use Zoom meetings on a PC. I'm going to run it through just basics, how to download it and how to install it and how to join a meeting. So first of all, and this is for a PC, I am pretty sure it's the same for a Mac. I just don't use it personally, so you will be able to download it on Mac as well. So for the PC, you need Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and or Firefox. Some of you might be using it. So I use Google Chrome. So you go to Google Chrome and you simply type in Zoom download. Hit enter. It'll take you to the first link. You can just click on it. Says Zoom.us download center at -Zoom. So you click the first link and it says Zoom client for meetings. This is where you download it. A little window most likely will pop up on the left bottom corner, so you can just click on that. Zoom installer is initializing and it will install it, and it pops right up, so you can close your browsing window. And here we are. So you have Zoom installed on your computer or laptop. I've created a random meeting right now just so we can get the information, but this is something you will receive in your email. So when you have the information, you'll say that this is me, so I'm inviting you to a scheduled Zoom meeting. The topic will be general membership meeting or some activity that we're planning on doing right now. So like for example the bingo, there will be the date, time, and I guess it's in Winnipeg, and then the next link, this is a link that will take you straight to the Zoom, but I really encourage you guys to use a meeting ID and the passcode. Same thing for a smartphone. If you have Zoom meetings installed on your smartphone, then you just enter the meeting ID and passcode. Or if you don't have it, then please go into your Google Play Store or the App Store, and you can just download it there for free, and then you'll have it on your phone and you can access the Zoom meetings via phone. One thing I tell you guys though, that it is a lot easier and a lot better to use on a laptop or a computer. You will see more windows. If there's a big group of us, I believe on a smartphone you can only see 4 people at the same time, and you have to keep scrolling through the pages, whereas on Zoom meetings on a PC or laptop or desktop, you'll be able to see more people all over the screen. Once we have all that, let's join a meeting. So you click on join meeting, and this is where you enter the meeting ID number, which is this number here. It will be different every time we send it to you. Simply punch in 82839590898. Again, this will be different every time. You can enter your name here. I'm just going to change it to Tom because most people know me by Tom. And join meeting, and then it'll ask you for the passcode. Now the passcode is also provided in the email. Again, it will be a different passcode every time. So I'm just going to punch it in 171412, and you join the meeting. And this meeting is not started yet. It's scheduled but not started. So once the scheduled meeting starts, then you'll be able to enter the so-called waiting room, and then we'll be able to admit you into the room and you'll be able to chat with us. So I really hope that this video was good and educational for you guys. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask any of us in the union. We'll be more than happy to assist you with anything you guys need help with. Alrighty, take care. Bye.